Underhand serve refers to whether the player strikes the ball from below, at waist level. Underhand serve is considered very easy to receive and is rarely employed in high-level competitions. Overhand serve is a serve in which the player tosses the ball with one hand and strikes it in the air above their head with the other hand. Jump serve. The ball will require a higher toss and hit in the height of a jump in the air. The serve will give an added force to the serve. Often this serve will land out of bounds unless enough distance is given behind for a further approach.